is what you'll need for a simple but delicious way to cook your salmon fillets. Our said salmon fillets. A bit of fresh ginger, a couple of cloves of garlic, 2 or 3 spring onions, half a lemon for the juice. I'm going with half a red pepper, but that's optional. I just happen to have it in the fridge, but it does contrast well with the green onions. Then you're going to have a touch of corn flour, teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, some chili flakes, some sesame seeds and some honey. First thing we're going to do is get all the ingredients into a bowl and mix them. So in with your half a lemon juice, your honey's already in there at the bottom, a teaspoon of soy sauce, a couple of tablespoons of your teriyaki sauce, 3 tablespoons of water, and then your chili flakes, corn flour, garlic and ginger, all nicely crushed as you can see. And then just get them nicely mixed together. Place your salmon fillets into a oven-proof dish, and then some with your little sauce you've just concocted. And this is going into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 12 to 15 minutes, just to ensure that the salmon is cooked nice and flaky and this sauce thickens up. With your salmon cooking in the oven, just put a bit of vegetable oil into a pan, then into there with your spring onions and pepper if you're using it. And just give them 5 minutes to cook down. When your salmon has had its time in the oven, time to take it out, put it on a plate, and don't forget your sauce, and then dish it up with your favourite accompaniments. So to finish it off, going with a little sprinkling of your sesame seeds, then on with your onion and pepper, in my case, lovely potatoes. And all that's left to do is get stuck in and enjoy.